Stabilized. Excellent.
Let's get the drone airborne. Hello guys, today we have a quite unusual project going on. We are scanning the old abandoned King's Station in the suburbs of Sofia. I'll guide you through how we do it, why we do it, and of course what the result will be. So let's get into it. So you can see the tracks here, and this is the King's old station. You can see, and you have the wires here, so it was too dangerous simply to create an automated smart 3D capture, so I did it all manually, and let's see how it turns out. So we also decided to go in to the King's old station and scan it from the inside, so we have a very detailed inspection. In the software that we process the data, you can combine outside and inside scans. So let's try that. So why is a 3D model and a virtual tour of this old King's Station near the tracks, why is it so valuable? Well, firstly, preservation, because preserving the current situation, showing how like the architecture is right now is super important for future generations. People can see what it exactly looked like in 2025. Secondly, we have accessibility, because everyone from whatever corner of the world can access the 3D model and the virtual tour and explore the beauty of this old train station. And in the third place, we have restoration support, because when architects want to restore this beautiful building eventually, they will need an accurate 3D model which shows what they need to restore, what they need to remove, and this will ease up their process, and they will need to spend less money and less time traveling out here, which is also a huge benefit. And lastly, we have tourism, because with a 3D model and a virtual tour, tourists will be able to check out this place, and they will maybe come and see it in person, which will increase the popularity of the site, and this increases the chance of the old train station being restored.